welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to log in Google Chat account. So if you also want to log in Google Chat account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is install Google Chat application. So after you've installed Google Chat application, all you have to do is launch open it. So after you install Google Chat application, when you open it, you'll see that you're already logged into your Google Chat account. So you'll not need to manually log into Google Chat account. Google Chat will log into your account that is currently in use in your Gmail application right now. So if you want to change the account in Google Chat, all you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. You'll see all of your Gmail account over here. All you have to do is tap on the account of your choice in which you want to log in. Now you'll be logged into that account. So that is how you log in Google Chat account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.